Hello everyone, it's Queen Jessa. I'm here to unbox something I received in the mail today, and it's something that I waited for months. It was sold out, I couldn't find it anywhere, and I finally found it. I have another one. I have the same one in a different color. I wonder if you could guess what it is. Here I go, ready to unbox it. This is the first time I'm going to see it. I haven't opened it yet. Let's see. Can you guys see what it is? It's from Filofax. Can you guess now what it is? Let's see. I'm ready to open. Oh my goodness, I'm excited. Oh my. This is just great. Have some tissue. Oh my goodness. The first time I wanted this, I saw it in Mady L's YouTube video, and I just fell in love. But when I went to order it, it was sold out. I checked other websites, couldn't find it. I'm just in love with this. And I love to have different colors, you know. Like in the winter, this is what I would use. Like when September hits, I'll change from my fawn color, which I'll show you right now. See how beautiful this is. I love it. It's chunky. I'm still waiting for certain things so then I could go over it with you. But look at the black. It's the ebony color. It's the Filofax Croc, classic Croc pocket planner organizer. I love it. And I do like the inserts in here. I'll be using these. I just have to add a few things to it. And as I was saying, I finally found it. I found it on a website called Atlas Stationers Inc. This is where I found it. I'll show you that there. If you could get the view on it, I suggest you call them first, or go to their website and call the 800 number to see if there's any more available. But I waited for months and I finally got it. The pocket planners for me are really nice. They fit in your purse nicely. You could take them anywhere. I use all different sizes, but I love the fact that I could also use this as a wallet. You see how it has the opening? It's just the same as the fawn. It has the card slots. It has a pen loop. It has the zipper pocket. It has a pocket right here. It has another pocket right here. It's just a nice, convenient planner that you could take on the go. And I love the fact that I could use this during winter time because, you know, black, it's dark in the winter. Use it in winter time, and then use this, which is spring and summer. I could use this one. But I hope you enjoyed my unboxing of my new classic Croc Filofax in pocket size. Hope there's some available for you guys. I'll link the website below where I got that. And again is Atlas Stationers Inc. And I hope everyone enjoyed this video. Stay well and see you soon. Thank you. Thank you so much for watching my video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. See you soon. Queen Jessa signing off.